Hello everyone, this is Michael Solomon again, and I'm here to give you a little information on the camera you will need for PhotoFax, the photography course that we will be teaching at Bounce Innovation Hub. So, there's basically two cameras that everyone has, and that would be the DSLR and the bridge camera. These are types of cameras. If you have either camera, you're good, because both of those types of cameras will enable you to do anything you need to do in photography. So if you'll notice, the bridge camera is the camera that has the lens that is permanently built to the body of the camera. The DSLR has a lens that you can take off the camera. Those are the major differences. Check this out. If you have the command dial that has MASP on it, and if you look at the bridge camera also, it has MSAP. That means the camera has everything else you need for the class and then some. So with those two cameras, you can do all of this. Not a problem. So we look forward to seeing you starting April 19th to May 25th at Bounce Innovation Hub.